lot of people have when going vegan or considering it is that will they be able to support this in their budget? Is it too expensive? This is an age-old misconception that somehow it's elite to be vegan. But I'll tell you that the origins of veganism don't stem from elitism. So the cheapest foods in the world are actually vegan. Well, beans, for instance. When I get my beans, even canned beans are probably the most affordable thing you can get. But if you want to take it up a notch, you can get bulk dry beans for a fraction of the price of canned beans, and food to last you with all the nutrients and protein and everything you need for pennies a meal. I pride myself on making family meals for four of us for under $10 every meal. Buying everything in bulk is always a good idea wherever you can. You can find a source maybe for fruit and vegetables. For nuts, we have a great source that we get directly from a company. You know, getting things in bigger quantity, of course, and that have stable shelf life. Get whole foods, because often the things that are most expensive are the meat and dairy substitutes, which are not even good for us. And to be honest with you, we just don't need. This is all more of maybe in the transition times, you want to replace your meat. But as you go down your vegan journey, try and stay as much to whole foods as possible. So things like buying in season make a huge difference. Buying maybe your root vegetables and citrus fruit in winter, and buying your more tropical fruits in the summertime. Find a local organic farmer and get directly from them. Freezing leftovers, making maybe double portions and freezing. Raw dehydrated form of things like wheatgrass and superfoods, which can be very affordable if you have a great source. And I happen to have $50 gift cards for all of your superfoods, and they're very shelf stable and come in bulk. So that's just a transfer of spending. So instead of spending all your money on organic produce at the grocery store, if you're juicing, this is a much easier and shelf-stable access to all of those things, and much more time saving as well, which also goes with savings. Buy frozen wherever you can. I found that it's a big savings on organic fruit and vegetables, buying them in bulk frozen, and then they don't go bad. So making sure that we're not wasting the food we make, buy what you need, eat before grocery shopping, and stick to whole foods as much as possible. And of course, if you can, grow your own food, because this is what this empowerment movement is all about.